Hello there foodies, it's your girl Clenam and welcome to my channel. Are you feeling lazy and you don't feel like going neither grocery shopping nor cooking anything complicated? Then this is the dish for you. It requires very few ingredients, take very less time to cook, but it is delicious. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. The ingredients are few and simple, and they are 300 grams of spaghetti, some olive oil, some salt, parsley, dried chili, and some garlic. Yes, that is all you're going to need. Also remember that all the ingredients and their quantities will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. So now let's start with the cooking process. And our first step is going to be to chop the garlic and the parsley. But when it comes to the dried chili pepper, what I'm going to do is to just use my fingers to open them up, as you can see in the video. I use this much of dried chili because I like my food to be spicy, especially in this case where the ingredients are few and simple. But if you are very sensitive to spiciness, feel free to use less. And hey, if you do not have dried chili pepper, just substitute with some fresh ones or some habanero pepper or even just chili flakes. I hope you do not forget to put the water for your pasta on fire because this recipe is quite quick. Done with the parsley, we are going to finely chop our garlic. And the tip to get rid of that heavy garlic breath is to just cut your garlic into two, and then you're going to find the heart of it, which is this, and all you have to do is to get rid of it, and this is going to help prevent that intensified garlic taste that's normally ruined in your breath. So you can feel free to kiss your boo or talk to people without having to cover your mouth. So when we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and just start the frying process. So now on the low heat, we're going to add our olive oil, followed by the chopped garlic and our chili pepper. And then we're going to add our spaghetti. Now when it comes to spaghetti of this size, the instruction normally says cook for at least 8 to 9 minutes. But when it comes to this recipe, you have to cook it for just 3 minutes because we are going to conclude the cooking process in the oil, and the pasta is going to release the starch, which is going to not just create that juicy thick sauce but also enhance the flavor of the spaghetti as well. So at this point, you're going to add some water from the pasta, and I'm going to start with 4 ladles, as you can see. And now we just have to stir, increase the heat to medium to high, and what is going to happen is that the pasta is going to release its starch, which is going to create this creamy sauce that you see in a minute. And if you feel it's dry, you can just add more water, as I did. And I also tasted for salt and added some salt as well. This is the juice I was talking about. As you can see, it's beginning to form, and our pasta will be ready in a couple of minutes. Final touch is going to be to add the parsley, stir a couple of times, and then we just switch off the fire and serve. In less than 20 minutes, your dish is ready, and it's not just the time, but it's also the price. This dish actually costs less than €5 as well, and it is restaurant quality. And hey, if this is just too simple for you and you want to add something else, all you have to do is to just do as I did. I just sliced a couple of tomatoes, added some rucola, and I had a couple of burgers in the fridge that I grilled, and this becomes instantly a balanced diet for 2 people with less than €10. And if you ever decide to switch things up because you want to make it a little bit more, take it to a whole nother level, all you have to do is to add some clams and it becomes a seafood pasta. And I do actually have the recipe for that, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So if you want, you can just check it out, and maybe you can try something different some other time. So as usual, if you loved what you saw, if you like what you see, please do not forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking and sharing. And hey, thanks for watching and thanks for your time. Till the next recipe, it's bye-bye for now.